Hey everyone, it's Deb. I have a small crafty haul from Dollar Tree. Actually, I had to go out and run a couple errands the other day, and while I was out, a friend of mine here on YouTube messaged me and sent me a picture and said, hey, they have these back in stock. Well, the last time I had gone to Dollar Tree, I couldn't find those anywhere. They only had these 4-packs. And these were in Crafter Square. And now they also have 4-packs with a black lid. And I think they had another color too, red or something. But they were Sure Fresh in the kitchen, you know, the cooking container area. But in the same area, Sure Fresh, they had these. But they only had 4 in the square. And then they had some that were round, and I didn't want those because square works better for storage. So I got all 4 that they had because there's 10 in a pack of these, and they'll be fine for beady storage, right? So I got 4 packs of 10, so there's 40 little containers here. And then, plus I have the 2 in the orange, which I don't know what I'm going to use those for yet. Plus, in the Crafter's Square, they had these itty bitty little ones, and I got to thinking, I have like, I know I watched some of you that have that curated, no, not that one, the one with the strands of check glass beads, and you get 3mm, 4mm, or 3mm. You know what, one strand of those little tiny beads will fit in these containers, and I have a ton of those strands from past purchases, past kits, whatever. And I'm going to take them off the strands and put them in these little containers because I can't find anything with them in strands. So I just got 2 to start with those. Those were where the crafting stuff was. And there's 8 to a pack for $1. I don't know if that's like a flip top lid. Hang on, let me see if I can open them. No, they're sealed. Alright, and then I did get only one of these 4x3 inch. This is the perfect size for earrings, cards to go in. But 20 bags for $1 is not the best deal. So I only got 1 bag to make do because I'm getting low. And then I discovered 2 things I didn't know they had at Dollar Tree. One of them was assorted jump rings. Now it does say they're 6mm. No, I guess they're not assorted. They're all 6mm. And you get 20 grams of them for $1. Now, who knows what metal they're made out of? Because it doesn't really say. They're made in China, which is par for the course anymore. Imported by Greenbrier. So, yeah, a whole bag of 6mm jump rings. They appear to be maybe 21 gauge, perhaps. I don't know. Anyway, I thought I'd try them think they'd be all right for things like purse charms and stuff, right? And then the other thing I saw that I didn't know they had, shame on me, is faux leather ribbon. So I got one in every color they had. Yeah, that's me. I have to get it. I go big, right? So let's just see what this is like, because I couldn't really touch it in the store, like, to see. It says faux leather, and it looks like leather. It has like a, let me see if I can get the wrapper thing off. I can figure out where it ends. Well, here's where this is, so maybe I can cut a little bit there. There we go. I got it. I got it. Woohoo! I think I got it. There we go. I think. Okay. So let's see what this stuff feels like. It feels like faux leather. It has like a fabric-y kind of texture on the back, and yeah, it definitely feels like leather. No clue what I'm going to use this for. It's 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch by 9 feet, 3 yards. So I got it in this sort of light gold color, or champagne almost. This one I think is black. black leather. This one is like saddle brown. This one is silver. And this one is like a burgundy. The only one that was like a non-natural color. And that one, oh, they're all 3 yards. Okay. Yeah, so 9 feet. So I thought, I'll figure out something to do with those. I never saw them there before, but I haven't been to Dollar Tree for a little while. And then, yeah, I did go down the sticker row, but I'm not going to share those with you just yet. They had some new stickers too, which are pretty cool. So, yeah, I got a few extras on those I might be sharing, so I don't want to show those. So that, yeah, I'm kind of surprised. I really should have just got one to check it, but it definitely feels like leather. Like I said, no clue what I'm going to do with it. So we'll see. All right, that's it. That's all I have from Dollar Tree. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.